Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless KTV Bluetooth mini speaker to Samsung Smart TV. Okay, to do that, first of all you need to press setting on your remote control. Go to connection, select on it, and go to Bluetooth device. Select on it, and now turn your speaker to on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, now it's found, and select to pair, select pair and connection. Okay, it's now connected. Press return on your remote control. Back to home, and to use the KTV mode you need to turn on the microphone, and now it's auto connect to the speaker. Hello. Okay, you can hear and you can okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect the KTV Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.